Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make your Windows 10 lock screen wallpaper change automatically. This way you will always have a fresh and exciting lock whenever you turn on your PC. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. Now select Settings. If you prefer a quicker way, just press Windows I on your keyboard to open Settings directly. Once the Settings window is open, look for Personalization and click on it. Now on the left panel, select Lock Screen. Here you will see an option called Background with a drop-down menu. Click on it. You will have three choices: Windows Spotlight, Picture, and Slideshow. If you want Windows to automatically change your lock screen wallpaper with new images from Microsoft, select Windows Spotlight. These feature downloads and sets beautiful wallpapers from Bing. It's an effortless way to keep your lock screen fresh. If you want to use your own images, choose Slideshow instead. Now click on Add a Folder and select a folder where you have saved your favorite wallpapers. Windows will automatically rotate through these images. To make sure everything works as you like, scroll down and click on Advanced Slideshow Settings. Here you can enable or disable using pictures from subfolders. Set how often the images and choose whether the slideshow should stop when the device is on battery power. If you want to preview how your lock screen will look, simply press Windows L on your keyboard to lock your screen. You should now see your new lock screen wallpaper. Sometimes Windows Spotlight might stop updating images. If that happens, go back to the lock screen settings, switch to picture mode, restart your PC, and then switch back to Windows Spotlight. This usually fixes the issue. And that's it. Now your lock screen wallpaper will change automatically whether you use Windows Spotlight or your own images. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.